it's me, Helen. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. It's me, Helen. And guess what? I'm wearing this today. I'm going out later. It's just so hot. So I'm just putting on my makeup right now. If you can see, just putting some cream on me. And that is supposed to be my. Oh my gosh, my foundation. Oh my gosh. I think I'm doing a part one of going out, and then the part 2 will come out soon. So anyway, I'm gonna do this part first, and then later on doing the next part because I'm just doing makeup. How are you guys, everyone? Hope COVID's going well for all your countries right now. Like Australia's been awesome. Hope you're getting heated over there. Hope the coronavirus has been going away. I love you guys so much, whoever you guys are watching. So yeah, I'm just been like going out on this NDIS program that I usually had. So yeah, had nothing to do anyway, cause you know I have a disability. Everyone who doesn't know, I had 2 disabilities. I have one for epilepsy, and my other one's not a disability, but mostly normal people can get it. It's called diabetes type 2 diabetes. Sorry, I'm half sick today anyway, but you live and you learn. Isn't that right, people? So how you guys been up to lately? Hope you're staying safe like I have been. Actually, I've been kind of safe-ish. So yeah, give me a second. I'm gonna sneeze. Give me a second. Ugh. But seriously, it's not good to have a runny nose when you're going out today. So sad. And by the way, I can't put music on because like I was listening to music before I was starting to do my makeup, because I did not want to get copyrighted. I'm so sorry for the no music. So yeah, I hope you guys been 1.5 safe or 2 meters away from people that you don't know. I've been just been so sad lately. Been having a crazy thoughts, crazy mind. So yeah, pretty much my life has been crazy. You know what? Like crazy. So today I'm just gonna be doing, oh crap, not this blue. Kind of like a, oh, I'm gonna do this color today. So kind of like, I think I'm doing this color today, where I'm pointing at right now. I haven't done these colors before, so good luck with my colors, because I just never done any of those colors before. That's all. And by the way, for a couple months ago, I've been going out with the NDS program. Went to the Royal Easter show. If you guys haven't seen my photos, go to my Instagram. The links are all down below, by the way. Sorry about the sneezing. I just don't know why I'm sneezing all the time today. Like I say, why am I sneezing? I need a whole life break. So yeah, I originally a life break. By the way, I've been sleeping well because there's birds around my house for some reason that I keep waking up to. Terrible. Let's do. I'm alright with it. They're just birds anyway. So yeah. And I hope you've been going out not too much recently. Not like me having out all the time. I don't know what color should I choose next. Not green, definitely not green. I think I'm gonna choose like a kind of this color or kind of these colors. I don't know. I'm gonna choose one anyway. So for my inner corner, I think I'm gonna choose this one. I think. Not bad. So yeah, pretty much everything has been alright. People messaging right now. I'm gonna wait until later I'll message them. I'm just busy doing my makeup right now. So you guys can see, I look so weird today. I look like a weirdo. I don't care. Everyone who likes being weird is fun. So yeah. Never be too sad or being weird. Trust me. So yeah, this is how I look like right now. Do I look weird? Everyone? Everyone, do I look weird? Hope not. Next, eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, my eyes are hurting so much from the inner corner. But anyway, hope you guys like it. If you don't, I don't mind. Still wouldn't mind if you don't like it or love it or something. The reason why I'm not wearing my earrings right now because it's just right here. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna wear. It's gonna be these earrings right here. You know, I'm a crazy person. So yeah, I'm gonna put my earrings in just to let everyone see what I'm wearing today. I'm going around like 9ish, 9:30 I think, around that time. So yeah. Because the reason why I didn't want to wear it because I'm just wasn't bothered, yeah. But now since everyone can see what I'm doing, so yeah. by the way, you can see my mascara here. I bought it from a shop, so yeah, it's one of those shops that it was nice. I am trying to teach you guys how to do it properly, slowly and properly. Always have a mirror with you at all times when you're doing this. Girls and boys who like doing makeup, remember, always have a mirror with you, just in case. Do I look fine? Do I look like something like an idiot, or do I look pretty? Tell me if I look pretty or do I look like an idiot. And one more thing I have left. It's my lipstick, which is right here. This one, if you guys don't notice it. And there you go, my final look. How do you guys think? Is it too much? Is it too little? And by the way, I use this blush. Always like to use this one for some reason. I don't want to use like this pinkish because it's too pink for me anyway. So yeah. Anyway, I think I'm gonna put some pink on it too. I'm gonna make myself a bit crazy today. A little bit crazy, but yeah. You guys know me with me and my makeup. Sylvia always wears a lot of makeup. I'm turning into her now. There you go. Do you like it? Do I look like a clown? Do I look pretty? Do I look ugly? Comment down below or text me on my Instagram. Do I look pretty or do I look crazy? I'm gonna take a photo of this, post it on my story, tag to your friends, anything like that. Goodbye everyone. See you soon.